Hey there, future millionaires. This is Fazlur Rahman, Faz, and welcome to the YouTube channel Hey Faz, your go-to resource for digital marketing, personal branding, e-commerce, dropshipping, and much more. You might know me from my other businesses, Hey Search, which is my digital marketing agency that I run for the last 14 years, or you might even know my book, Hey Dropshipping. And if you're passionate about e-commerce, you would have heard about the company Hey Commerce, which is dedicated to empowering e-commerce entrepreneurs like you. As you know, I wear multiple hats in these organizations, such as SEO strategist, personal branding strategist, e-commerce consultant, published author, public speaker, and much more. But today, I am embarking on a special journey. I am wearing the hat of YouTube content creator through Hey Faz YouTube channel. My mission is to help and empower at least 10,000 people like you to become a millionaire in the space of e-commerce and dropshipping. With over 14 years of experience working with thousands of clients and having trained 60,000 people, I am going to share tips, tricks, and strategies to skyrocket your dropshipping and e-commerce store. On this channel, you will find a wealth of information that is necessary for you to start and scale your dropshipping or e-commerce venture. Whether you are an absolute beginner or you're already running a successful e-commerce store and looking to scale, Hey Faz YouTube channel has got you covered. I believe that everyone has got potential to succeed in the space of e-commerce. And this is where I am going to guide you and handhold you to reach there. So, are you ready to take your e-commerce or dropshipping journey to the next level? Join us and hit that subscribe button and like this video. And don't forget to follow the updates where you can learn and grow your business. Welcome to Hey Faz family, and let's create something extraordinary together.